Good morning students, welcome back to NCERT tutorial. So today I am going to explain another sum on double column cash book. Okay, in my last video I have explained you regarding a sum on double column cash book. Okay, so today I am taking the second one. So here it is the informations given for July 2000, whatever it is. So opening balance of cash in hand is given. Then there is bank overdraft. What do you mean by bank overdraft? Where the withdrawals from the bank is more than its deposits. It's a liability for the business. There is bank overdraft. Then you see paid wages. So what is the journal for paid wages? It is wages account debited to cash. Then for cash sales, it is cash account debited to sales. Cash deposited into bank, bank account debited to cash account. Again, it's a contra entry. Then you see goods purchased and paid by check. So it is purchase account debited to bank account. Then you see paid rent. So rent account debited to cash account. Then you see drew from bank for personal use. So it's a drawings. So drawings account debited to bank account. Then you see it's salary paid. So salary account debited to cash account. Then you see this is the cash book. Double column cash book taking the informations. So opening balance of cash in hand is given. You have to put the amount in the cash column. Then there is bank overdraft, means there is more withdrawals from the bank than its deposits. It is not an asset, it becomes a liability for the business. So opening balance of liability should be written in the credit side. So by balance BD, in the bank column you have to put the amount. You have to put the dates. And you see here there is cash sales, there is payment of wages. So wages account debited to cash account. I have given you the journal entries side by side of the informations given. You see the journal entries side by side, it's given. You follow the journal entries and you have to prepare the cash account or the bank account. So here you see for wages, wages to cash, you have to write down the amount. Cash sales, you have to put the amount. This is bank to cash contra entry for deposits into bank. Then purchase account, you have to put the amount in the bank column. Rent account, you have to put the amount in the cash column. Then there is drawings, you have to put the amount in the bank column. Then salary, you have to put the amount in the cash column. Then when you will take out the balance, you will see that in the bank column, the amount is more in the credit side. So you have to put the amount and take out the balance, which is an overdraft. If credit side is more than debit side, then there is an overdraft. So you have to put the amount for overdraft. Then for cash, you have to transfer the amount in the next month, that is 1900. Then for cash also you have to find out the balance and transfer to the next month. So hope you have understood. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.